So welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn how to play a song, a Kalenjin song that goes oh nange mbona kole yo vaneri vanane datsa mama konde ya chenane isavenyu nange mbona kole yo vaneri vanane datsa mama konde ya chenane isavenyu. Yeah, that song was done in the key of B. So this is B. That is B, as you can see. Yeah, it's from the fret number 2, the fifth string. That is B. That is number 1. So number 1 is B, and then we come to E, and then we go back to B, and then we finish with F sharp. Yeah, that is it. When you hold it this way. Yeah, the number 6 is always the A flat minor. That is it. Yeah, that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and let's meet in our next tutorial.